Hey guys, today I'll be showing you my new replacement earpads that I bought for my Audio Technica ATH M50X. It comes in this little Ziploc baggie, and inside the baggie you have some documentation and the pair of earpads. First things first, let's look at the documentations, which include the instruction sheet on how to install the earpads on your headphones. Now we have the earpads themselves. Now, here we're going to have a close-up of the earpads. It is super soft. It's fabric and it's moisture wicking, and it's so breathable. But you would not believe how soft and comfortable it is. Alright, so I'll be showing you now how to install the earpads on your headphones. As you can see, my headphones have no pads at all. So, to install them, all you have to do is stretch the edges of the back of the earpads and make sure it aligns and fits into the groove that's on your headphones. You may need to hold the parts that are already in and stretch a tiny bit to make sure that the earpads are fitted snugly and they don't slip out while you're installing it all the way around. And that's it. I installed the second pad off camera, and here's how they look on your headphones. They are super comfortable, as I mentioned before, and I would highly recommend this product. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.